Today I'm going to show you how to fix the "your connection is not private" error in Google Chrome, step by step, so you can get back to browsing safely and without frustration. This is one of the most common Chrome errors, and the good news is that in many cases it can be fixed in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials and easy troubleshooting guides. Let's start with the first fix. Restart Google Chrome completely, close every Chrome window first, and make sure the browser is fully shut down. Sometimes a temporary browser glitch is all it takes to trigger a certificate warning like this. Once Chrome is closed, open it again and try visiting the website one more time. If the error was caused by a small temporary issue, this simple restart may solve it right away. If that does not work, move on to step 2 and check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, your mobile hotspot is stable if you're using one, and your internet connection is not dropping in and out. Unstable internet can sometimes interfere with secure website connections and cause certificate-related errors in Chrome. If possible, refresh your connection by disconnecting and reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or try a different network to see whether the problem goes away. Next, check your date and time settings. This step is very important because an incorrect system clock is one of the most common reasons for the "your connection is not private" error. Right-click the date and time on the taskbar, then click Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, turn on Set Time automatically if it is not already enabled. After that, click Sync Now to force Windows to update the clock. If your time or time zone is wrong, Chrome may think a website certificate is expired or invalid, even when it is not. Once you sync the time, go back to Chrome and test the website again. Now let's clear the Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted and create SSL or certificate issues. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. For the time range, choose All Time so everything relevant is removed, then click Delete Data. After the cleanup is finished, restart Chrome and try the site again. Clearing this data often removes damaged files that are blocking secure connections. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the SSL State. Press Windows and S on your keyboard and type Internet Options. Open it from the search results. In the Internet Properties window, click the Content tab, then find and click Clear SSL State. This refreshes the saved SSL certificate information stored on your computer. If one of those saved certificates is outdated or broken, clearing the SSL state can help Chrome reconnect properly. After that, close the window and reload the website in Chrome. At this point, one of these fixes usually resolves the issue. But if you are still seeing the warning, you may also want to check whether your antivirus, firewall, or VPN is interfering with secure connections. Sometimes security software can inspect encrypted traffic and accidentally cause certificate warnings. You can temporarily disable it for testing or try another network to confirm whether the issue is local to your device or your internet connection. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are: restart Chrome, check your internet connection, verify your date and time, clear your Chrome cache and cookies, and clear the SSL state. These steps solve the problem for most users without needing advanced technical changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and leave a comment if you want more Chrome troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.